wanna go insane. No, I really can't complain. If I did, I would be in shame. Dreams of big houses, dreams of big cars. Until then I have to drop good bars, tryna sell myself to Mars. I was rhyming and rhyming, hoping that I got good timing. But I wanna start buying and buying. But I really love rhyming. 500,000 square feet. If I get that, that'll be a treat. I want people who will come up to me and greet. I want some loyal fans who will come and meet. I want that Ferrari, then I swerve. Maybe that's just stuff I don't deserve. Wanna make music, people will conserve. Driving, then I'll probably hit the curve. I want that Ferrari, then I swerve. I was sitting waiting out in the rain, pushing through the hate like in a train. All this hate is